Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Friday, May 2nd, 2025. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Cannot believe May is here already. Hope it was a good trading day for you. As we do get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. Find something you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. And if you like what you see here, folks, make sure you subscribe, follow along. Here's the various social platforms we're out on. Day in and day out, we've got content going up on various platforms, so make sure you check it out. All right, we're going to start off with the S&P 500. No trades from our last update went off. So S&P today, wham, bam, thank you, man. What a great gap up. Got into bullish territory. The 8 is moving up above the 21. We broke above the recent swing high. We are now putting in a high, higher highs. Beautiful. And we finally got through. And I talked about this last night in Monster Market Movers. We chipped away at the ice 2 days in a row. And yesterday closed above the fib line. That 764 is the hesitation level. Closed above it. Bam! Great gap up today, setting up for a nice potential on tomorrow. We still have about 10 minutes left in the market today. We're getting a very shaky power right now, a lot of little flickering of lights. I wanted to get this done before we lose something here today. So let's go take a look at our very first candidate, ADBE. ADBE is the first one. Let's get rid of that orange bar. So we're sitting right at a fib line on ADBE at the 382. Which one do I like best for this? I like the upside the better for this one. Small move up, retest and bounce. We'll take the trade off of the bounce. Stop is down below. If resistance is at 392, my target here is going to be right about 389. Right, for my downside, I like the downside, but I am limited on there because I have that 367.42. That is going to be my support. So that means my target here is going to be about 370. And that is supposed to be a 3 in most English language writings. Right? 370. Once again, fall, retest, and drop. Take the trade off of the retest, stop just on the other side. Right, LEN is number 2. Lower price stock on this one. We got a good one on this today. We don't get a lot of them sometimes, at least not ones that I would go after. Lennar being one of them. But let's see something here. 96 to 108. 96, 106. Yeah, I need to split that level in half. It is called a fibit. So we're going to put it, well, actually, it's not a traditional fibit, but it is a, this is actually not a fibit. There is a standard fib line. I don't use it normally, but it does need to go in there. So 102.5 is our level. So what are we looking for? So by the way, if you want to know more about what I just did and why, go over to tradinglikeaboss.com. It's where all of our free resources are. Look for a 3-part Fibonacci series where I teach you. It's 20 minutes each part. It's emailed to you 1 part each day. You'll have some exercises, practice you can do. And then you can go ahead and pick up on exactly how we do and why I do what I just did here. So tradinglikeaboss.com. So we're looking at this one. I like the upside a little bit better. It's a little bit cleaner. Small move up, retest and bounce. We're going to take the trade off of the bounce. Stop is down below support. Resistance is at 114. My target's going to be about 113. For my downside setup, breakthrough, retest, and drop. Right? Take the trade on the fail. Stop just on the other side. If support's at 102.5, my target here is going to be about 104. 103.5. Somewhere around there. 103.5 would probably be where my target is. Maybe even 103. All right? So that's number 2. Last one is VEEV. We've had this multiple times on our list before. Let's look at the whole fib. All right, so you can see the entire Fibonacci there. It's a good fib. Where are we? We're sitting right at the 233.89. This is the best potential of all of them. Upside is my preference. Small move up, retest, bounce. Right? Take the trade off of the retest and the bounce. Stop is just down below support. If we're looking at resistance at 240, we're looking at about 239, 238.5. Somewhere around there is going, and that is a 2. Somewhere around there is going to be my target. My downside, fail, retest, and drop. Take the trade on the drop. Stop on the other side. Support's at 228. My target here is going to be about 229, 229.5. Somewhere around there is what we're looking at for this. All right? And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. In a nutshell, there's our 3 trades. So go rock and roll. By the way, Here is our numbers. Haven't changed from last week. We're up 23,266.68 since June of last year. $242.36 in a year. Where I only do 1, 2, maybe 3 times a week I produce these videos. We've had 96 trades go off. Of those 96 trades, on average, $242.36 per trade. 77 winners, 16 went against us, 5 break even. Right? And there you have it. Have a great day, and I will see you at our next update. Bye for now.